A very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and fit and you all are staying safe at your home. As you all know, I am your English teacher and my name is Priyanka Joshi. And in today's class, we are going to learn a new concept. I know that you are aware about this concept, but today we are going to learn about this concept in detail. Right, students? So today we are moving from earlier, actually we did grammar, then we came to MCB, and now we are moving forward towards the writing skills. Yes, students? So the topic for today will be formal letters. So students, the letters which I am talking to you about, the letters are basically of two types, right? The letters are basically of two types. One are informal letter, the letters which we write to our friends, to our family, to our relatives, right? Such letters are informal letters. But when we are talking about formal letters, it means we are not writing these letters to our family and friends. We are writing these letters to for an official purpose. We write job application in formal letters, and we write application to the principal, or we give some application in banks. All these will come under the heading of formal letters, right? So students, what are the two types? Two types are informal letter, the letter we write to our friends, family and relatives, and there are formal letters which we write for any job application, application to principal, or any application we give to any organization, bank, etc. Right? So today we are talking about the formal letters, and I will be telling you the format of application to the principal of your school, right? So if you are sick, you are not feeling good, or you want to go to attend your friends or your cousin's wedding, right? Or you want to take permission for using some property of school. So there could be various times that at that time you have to seek the permission of your principal, right? And for getting that permission, you need to write an application, right, students? So today I am going to tell you the format of application to the principal of your school, and you all have to understand this format, and whenever you will be writing the letters in your notebook, at that time you will be following this same format. Alright? So students, let us see this format of formal letters, application to the principal. First you are going to write the principal, right? No comma, nothing. Simply you are going to write like this, the principal. Then the name and full address of your school. So students, what is the name of your school? Yes, Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Mayur Vihar, Phase 3, Delhi, and this is the pin code of Mayur Vihar Phase 3, Delhi, that is 110096, right? Then in your notebook you are going to leave one line, right? And then you will write date. Now students, focus here. You are not going to write date like this. Date 28 July 2020. You will not write like this. You are not going to use this word date. You are simply going to write like this. Date I have written here to explain you that you have to write date. So you will not write DATE. You will simply write 28 July 2020. Alright? After writing the date, you are going to leave one line, and you will be writing subject. You will be writing subject. Now you will ask, ma'am, what we have to write in subject? So in subject, you are going to write the thing for which you are writing the application. Suppose you are writing the application because you are sick or you are not fit. So you will write 3 days leave due to bad health, right? So this you will be writing in subject, alright? Again you will be leaving one line and then you will write the salutation. Salutation in which you are going to show your greeting and you will write respected sir or respected madam, right? In our school, principal is sir, so you will write respected sir here, right? So this is the format that you have to follow. After this, what you have to follow is that I am telling you, look on the board very carefully, and students, you can also note down all the things at the back side of your notebooks. So whenever you will be writing the letters or application, you will write in correct format only, alright? So when you will write salutation, respected sir, right? After that you will be writing the body of the letter. You will be writing body of the letter, right? In body you will be writing whatever problem you are facing. If you are having cold, cough, fever, you are going to write each and everything that I am facing this issue, and because of this issue I require leave or I want some permission. You have to write all the thing in the body of the letter, right? And when you will complete the body, at that time you will write in the end, thanking you, yours obediently, Priya Kumari, 6th A, right? So you will be writing thanking you, then yours obediently, then your name and your class and section, right? So by this, the format of an application is complete. Now I will show you that in body of letter, what you have to write and what kind of language you are going to use, so that when you will do your homework, you will write the correct information in the body of the letter. Alright, so let us do it, students. Now students, in subject, for write, if you have to write an application, so the question will be, write an application to the principal of your school informing him about your bad health, right? So how you are going to write it? You will write it like this: subject, 3 days leave due to bad health. So in subject you will be writing the thing for which you are writing this application. Then how you are going to begin the application? See here, I beg to say that I need 3 days leave as I am suffering from fever. Doctor had advised me to take 3 days bed rest. I promise to complete all my work after returning, right? So this is the thing which you have written here. You told that for what you are writing the application. Now in the end what you are going to write, that I am going to tell you. In the end, after writing this, what you are going to write? Kindly grant me 3 days leave, that is 28 July 2020 to 30 July 2020. I shall be highly grateful to you. I shall be highly grateful to you. Right? What you are going to write in the end? Kindly grant me 3 days leave, that is 28 July to 2020 to 30th July 2020, and in the end you will write I shall be highly grateful to you, and then you will be writing thanking you. What you will write? Thanking you, yours obediently, then your name, whatever your name is. Suppose your name is Karthik Sharma, 6 ABCD, whatever section you are in, right? So this will be the ending of the application, right? You will write thanking you, yours obediently, and in yours you are not going to put apostrophe S, right? You will write yours like this only, thanking you, yours obediently, Karthik Sharma, and your class, right? So this is the actual format and the body I have told you that what you have to write in an application. Alright, now we will take one more example of the application to make the concept more clear to you, right? Let us do it. Now students, let us take the example of one more application in which the question is write a letter to the principal of your school asking permission or taking permission to use science lab for some more hours or for an extra hour, right? So how you are going to write it? You are going to follow the exact format. The principal, Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School, Mayur Vihar Phase 3, Delhi 110096. Then leave one line, you will be writing date. Then leave one line, you will be writing subject. Then leave one line, you will be writing what? Salutation. And in subject you will be writing permission to use science lab for some more hours. Or you can write permission to use science lab for an extra hour. It depends on the question, whatever it is given, right? And then you will write the salutation, respected sir. And what body you are going to write, that I am telling you. Listen to me very carefully, right? I beg to say that I need your permission to use the science lab for some more hours. I am glad to inform you that I have been selected to participate in the TV show Little Einstein, telecast on Science Max channel. In this program, the participants are required to demonstrate a scientific experiment leading to an original result. I had applied to participate in the show on the basis of my school science project on mirrors and reflections. My experiment shows that mirrors can be used to make home lighting systems and save electricity. As I will need to spend extra time in the science lab for preparing my final model, please grant me the permission to use science lab for an extra hour every day from 28th to 31st July, right? 2020. Then you will write thanking you, yours obediently, your name, and then class, right? So this will be the way that how you are going to write the application. I will be providing you the format and the solution in the form of PDF, and you all have to write these things in your grammar notebook. You are going to write the date, you are going to write the correct format, and then you will be writing the questions which I am telling in classwork and the questions which I will give in homework. Right? So you all will be doing this work very sincerely so that you all can understand that how you have to write an application in a proper way. I hope now the concept is clear to you all, and you all will do your work very nicely. Thank you so much, class.